Dojo's empty, yeah, that's the twist. Cause Garu said no and raised his own fist. Bang sympathy like a storm on pause. World on fire, but he's checking his claws. Heroes screaming, monsters roar. He's like, sit straight, boy, posture's poor. Karate grandpa in a cardigan disguise. Crack skulls while giving life advice. Flexing wisdom, flexing spine. If it doesn't creak this time. Bang! The punchline fist. Breaking rocks just to prove he exists. Bang! The silver rage. Anime trope on the retirement stage.